Hey, so, okay, how to get to the class notebook if you don't already know. You need to have the either web application of Teams or the desktop version. So what you do is, if you are opening from Outlook, so if you're going and you're joining via Outlook, it will offer you to download the Windows app. You click that bad boy, and then you can install it, or you can continue on the browser. If you continue on the browser, it'll take a second to load, right? And then you allow. Or disallow in this case. You can go to Teams, and then you might get all Teams, at which point you click this one, or 10, the red one if you're 10. So you either click 9 or the red one, 10. And you should be able to find what you need. But if you click here, you should be able to click this, and up pops the notebook. Mine looks a little different, but because see, I can distribute stuff, but if you go to the content library, here is the prompt section, week 1 experiences and goals, right? And then you tell me all of the lovely things. So after reading the first 2 sections of Writing About Writing, write a 500 to 700 word exploration of your experiences with reading and writing and your personal writing goals in this class, in your major in general. I know some of you have outside projects that you're doing, which is great. So if you're going to be writing more about the goals situation, I don't just want to hear improve. I want to hear how and why. Or if you don't want to go sort of in that direction, then you can kind of use the blue prompts in the book to guide you and sort of talk through a couple of rules that you learned about writing, assumptions you learned about writing, where they may have come from, how they... See, okay, that is a grammar issue. Good Lord. That's supposed to be an A, y'all. See? One of the assumptions about writing is that English teachers know all the grammar in the world. Truth? We don't. But you could even write about something like that, like the rule don't start a sentence with because. Where does that come from? How does that impact your writing? How might you challenge that? Or the rule, every essay must have 5 paragraphs. Same thing. But yes, like I said, You've got to download Teams or go onto the web app. Either way, but don't just click into the meeting, because just joining the meeting won't allow you to see what I'm talking about. So hopefully you should be able to click in and see let's use Alex as an example here, right? You see classwork, weekly writing, and absentee summaries. Classwork is where you write your classwork. Cool. Weekly writing is where you'd write your homework. Make sure that you put some sort of identifying information in that title bar, please. An absentee summary is where you write your one-page summary if you need to watch the video of the class. Okay, so that's a little brief tour of how to get to Class Notebook. Hopefully you can do it. If you can't, let me know, and I'll help you out from there, and maybe we can do it some other way. All right. Bye, guys.